Hey, hello everybody, Zonyk Dan here, and today finally I received my new Zonyk cymbal set, and I will show you in the next video. Here I have the big box, really heavy. I have 10 cymbals here, so let's start. Alright, here we are. So let's try it. Right? Oh my, okay. 1, almost 2, 2, 3. Ooh, that's a really nice surprise that I didn't expect. So let's take a look. Pushing it out, okay. Nothing more. Right, it's time for take the first look at my new cymbal. Whoa! Let me take a look here. Hey, take a look. This is the hi-hat. Let's take a look. How box. This one. Right. Job. And let's take a look at another one. What a pretty cymbal. Whoa. Alright. Have the cymbals. Hi-hat. Alright. The next one. Take a look. Look, a little splash. Right. Wow. Ooh. If you can notice here, I have my logo here. Right, let's take a little pause. Okay, right. Okay, let's continue. Next one, another splash here. Take a look at this beauty. Whoa. Really nice. Alright, let's continue. Another splash here. Wow. Oh, it's like this. Nice. Wow. Right, let's continue. Okay, nothing more here. Let's start. Sorry. With the crash cymbals. Take a look at this design. Really nice. Of course, run over here. But inside again. Great. Next one here. This is another crash. Wow. Look. Really, woo, look, my logo here. It's beautiful. I love this one since I played in Shanghai Music this year. Right, next one. Another, oh no, this is the China. Wow. Take a look at this. Wow. Looks really amazing. Alright. Let's take a look at the next one. This is another crash. Whoa. Right. Okay. You didn't see it yet. Look. Wow. It's really, really beautiful. Whoa. Yes. And take a look at the next one. This is another crash. Wow. Take a look at this. Alright. Let me get over there. Nice. And finally, the ride. my god. Wow! Alright, like this. It's really great. We have all the cymbals set over here, so I want to tell you that I'm really happy with this new job that I will start to do, and I'm really happy with Zonyk Dan cymbals because they gave to me a really warm welcome to the brand, and it was really nice. And all the guys, the staff, the owner, his wife, and has been really amazing. And I'm sure that we will achieve a lot of new things, a lot of good work. So stay tuned because right now, Zonyk Dan in the house.